I want to show you a city that surprised me completely. We start in Wiesbaden, where spring arrives slowly and the cherry blossoms don't rush for anyone. There is a horse, a cathedral, and a perfect blue sky. Sometimes a city just gets it right. Then the Marktkirche, Gothic towers, warm sandstone, and 150 years of quiet dignity. First stop this huge chocolate shop, then the world's largest cuckoo clock. Wiesbaden has opinions about decor. A French cafe on a German street. Wiesbaden doesn't apologize for being indulgent. And then you find a place like this, where time stopped about 100 years ago. Maldaner, estimated 1859. Crystal chandeliers, dark wood, and the smell of fresh cake in the air. Black forest cake, the real kind, where it was born. Every staircase here tells a story. We ordered the meringue, and honestly, no notes. Zebra cake and a proper German coffee. This is what a good afternoon looks like. This meringue had layers of mascarpone and poppy seeds. It was amazing in addition to this rich cappuccino. And then Frankfurt, that skyline, glass and steel rising straight out of the 19th century. Frankfurt has this old European soul hiding behind its modern skyline. The opera standing there like it owns the city, because honestly it does. To the true, the beautiful, the good, carved right into the building. L'Art Sucré. The name says everything. These are not just desserts, these are tiny works of art. Rose, pistachio, vanilla. I may have tried more than one. And outside, the whole street is blooming. Solid advice on a tote bag, a bookshop that curves around you like a hug. The Katharinen Kirche, the Hopwatch, history walks with you here. Frankfurt surprises you at every turn, even just standing still. The flower market is overflowing. Tulips, roses, lavender, the kind of abundance that makes you rethink your whole life. And yes, there is an entire shop just for cheese. Of course there is. Every color, every flavor. I wanted them all. Look at this. Just look at it. More and more cheese. Even the trams have opinions here. The Römerberg, half-timbered houses, cobblestones, the dome rising behind it all. This is the postcard. This is the real thing. The Römer, the old city hall has stood here since the 1400s. History walks with you here. Walking toward the cathedral past 600 years of stories. And the cathedral, quiet, ancient, and somehow still watching over everything. Even the shop windows feel like little stories. I don't know who orders this, but I want to be invited to that birthday party. Okay, some cafes are just coffee. This one is an experience. There is a harp in the corner, because of course there is. One macaron, one coffee. Pure happiness. This is the kind of place you come in for 20 minutes and leave 2 hours later.
Siehst du, da ist eine Gitarre.
And this is the Russian Orthodox Church of Wiesbaden, built for a Russian princess, standing here since 1855. Golden domes against German sky, nothing could have prepared me for it. The airport is waiting, the bags are packed, but those golden domes stay with you. Some places you visit, some places visit you. Frankfurt, I wasn't expecting to love you this much. See you soon again.